This is a 8086 processor based microcomputer used for training purposes. So we may call it as a 8086 based microcomputer trainer kit. So what you see as a printed circuit board is a computer. What you see on the circuit besides a vacant slot of IC is the processor 8086. What you see in close up now is a piezoelectric crystal having 4 megahertz. Apart from that, you might notice you have devices like 8284 clock generator. These are the devices, 4 devices as primary memory, 2 devices which are 27256, which are put up with a stickers marked as odd and even. That is a odd bank memory and even bank memory, and 2 more devices which are without stickers are 62256 devices, which are 64 KB RAM devices. The stickered devices are ROM devices. They contain the fixed program. For using this computer, we need input and output devices. You may also require the latches for demultiplexing address and data lines. So there are 2 latches 74LS373 just besides the CPU. These are the details which are necessary for initial use of this computer or a trainer kit. This has got this power connection and it has got a built-in power supply which is directly connected with mains supply. So you can turn it off and you can turn it on, and what you get is a sign-on message with a cursor and a prompt. You have a IBM compatible full keyboard which is interfaced to the kit, and when you type any command, for the commands, which commands are possible, you need to refer to the user manual available with the kit, and in the user manual you will find all the necessary details including the commands for use. These commands themselves are 8086 based programs which are written in the assembly language of 8086, and a well organized executive program is stored for the execution of these commands, of course in the fixed memory or read-only memory. You may try a few of the commands. For example, I can try a D command. So you will find D command. If I say 000 colon, or I will just say D command, you will find it takes shows display of contents of memory location of this memory. primary memory onto the display. Contents of memory location 0000 has value FF, 01 has 02, and remaining contents of the subsequent addresses are as shown. You can use the enter key to go to the next set of memory locations. So this is the way you use the commands designed for understanding the working of microprocessor itself. If I press the escape key, you can go back to the command prompt. If you want to assemble the program, you can use a command. So it is showing current CS address is 19D8 and current offset logical address is 19D8. So I can write a instruction or a program such as this, and it goes to the next location. So this is a valid instruction. So if I press again enter, it will come back to the prompt, and as the starting address was 19D8 colon, so there is a problem with the keyboard. (19D8 colon 19D8), that was the starting address. So if I use T command, I will execute the instruction, only one instruction. T stands for trace command. So it has executed one instruction. That instruction was contents of AX will be moved to BX. This is how you can diagnose what happens upon execution of the program or the instruction that you want to get executed by the processor. The purpose of this particular microcomputer is very clear. It is a small microcomputer on bare PCB, wherein you can watch the components, watch the way they are designed, and you can play with it to find out how a microprocessor works. I think this small video will help you to perform initial practicals. I request you to go through it and raise the queries, if at all any, to me. Other devices which I have not explained to you are within the scope of few first experiments. We will unravel the mystery regarding the remaining devices in the due course of time. Thank you so much.